if somebody feels that he's putting in a lot of effort and his efforts are not being recognized, how does that person motivate himself or herself to say, I don't really give a damn as to what other people think. I have to keep on doing what I'm doing. I have to excel myself every day. What is the message that you would like to give people who feel that sometimes their efforts do not get recognized to the level that they think they have put in?
See, these are two extremes. I don't give a damn is not going to work, especially if you're in the retail. If you say, I don't give a damn, you're out of business. At the same time, thinking my efforts are not giving the necessary result, I think a whole lot of people feel this way. I'm saying in your assessment, you may be doing great, but the world has to recognize too. Somebody else has to see value to what you're doing. Only then it'll find recognition. If you feel it's valuable, you're doing it, then don't bother about other people's recognition. But if what you're doing is useful to them, let's understand this, not because what you're doing is great, because what you're doing is useful to them, they will say, oh, this is wonderful. So, I don't give a damn definitely doesn't work. But whether other people recognize you or not, depending upon how useful it is at a given time to people, that depends what is the type of job we've taken up. Now, I must say this, shall I? See, today wherever I go, people are saying things, oh, he's a yogi, he's a mystic. They don't know a damn thing about me being a yogi or a mystic, okay? They don't know what is a yogi, what is a mystic. Now because it's internationally recognized, everybody is clapping their hands. I've been saying the same things for last 35 years. Nobody thought anything about it. Now somewhere else in America, people are clapping their hands, here also they started clapping their hands, okay? It means nothing to me, all the recognition. Someday if people truly recognize what is being a yogi and are inspired to become that, that's wonderful. Of course, there are many people who are inspired by that. But I'm telling you, even people who are near around me, including my family, if I was sitting under a tree, same yogi, no recognition in the world, they wouldn't think nothing of my being a yogi. You understand? Today because it's internationally recognized, everybody is saying he's a great yogi. They don't know what is damn yogi is about. They don't know a damn thing about it. It is just that many people see it's useful to them, so there is recognition. Let's understand this. People are not recognizing the quality of who I am, they're recognizing the usefulness that I am to them. Only that part gets recognition. The quality of what I am, only a handful of people will recognize that, rest will not even know what the hell it is. And it's okay.
I think that's beautifully said, and I think if I was to translate that into our language out here in this room…
Hey, don't use your language, huh?
My language of the kind that I can use in front of you. I would say that keep at it as to what you're doing. One day people will see the use of that in their lives, and your time will come like his time came when people started clapping. So all you retail professionals, don't worry about what the world thinks, keep on doing what you're doing. Am I right in saying that?
Oh, that's a deduction. I would say that if your work is an expression of your joyfulness, whether recognition or no recognition, what does it matter? You're finding an opportunity to express your joy. And if you look at your own lives and see the moments where you're in pursuit of your happiness, what is the quality of those moments? The moments when you're expressing your joy, what is the quality of those moments? If you see, you will see whenever you're expressing your happiness or joy, they are the best moments in your life. If your work is an expression of your joy, your working moments will be the best moments of your life.